What's happening, everybody? It's time for another Shiba Inu price prediction video. So we broke down a little bit last night. We're going to jump into where we could be going in terms of both the high side and the low side in this video. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. The good news is once we find some strong support, which we could be heading there now, then we wait for the next big leg up. That next big push could be around a 50% upswing to the upside, depending on how low we go here and find our support. All right. So we're going to jump into it, break it down, all of it in this video. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe. And I greatly appreciate you coming back to the channel. So let's start over on TradingView. And we could see we had the enormous run up 4 days ago back on the 14th. We consolidated nicely here, but yesterday, this candlestick got us. Okay, right here. This hourly candlestick got us late in the day yesterday, all right, into the early evening. And now we're consolidating in the mid to high 14 range after this big drop, this red candlestick right here. However, it's not all bad. And we could even drop a little bit lower before we do move higher. But that presents an opportunity to all Shiba Inu holders or somebody who's sitting on the sideline waiting for a good entry point. So here's what I mean. Shiba Inu price to provide another opportunity before a potential 50% upswing. Okay, so this downswing will likely retest the 13 support level before stabilizing and planning its next move. All right, the 13 support level is down in here. This was right before the major run. Remember, 13 was the level that we needed to break through. It was resistance, and now it could act as stabilizing support. All right, to the downside. Now, a daily candlestick close below the 11.8, that would invalidate any bullish thesis. We're going to get into this in more detail, but the SHIB price is on the verge of triggering another run up, but it just needs to allow people to book profits for those who took part in the recent rally. All right. So if we zoom on in here, we could see Shiba Inu's price rallied a whopping 42% in a single daily candlestick, but closed at a total gain of about 33.7% back 4 days ago on August 14th. The high touched the 18 level briefly. SHIB has been retracing since then, which is to be expected, which could be a result of investors booking profits. Now, again, we have that stable support level at the 13 range. In some cases, SHIB might dig a little bit deeper and retest the point of control at the 11.8. This level saw the highest traded volume level since April 11th and should technically serve as a support level now, right? Given that it broke through it and it was such a pesky level of resistance for us for quite some time. Market participants can expect SHIB's price to either create an equal high back up to that 18 range when we do, when the tides turn and we do go back up, or they can even slice through the hurdle and make a run for the 2 range. And that is another resistance level. Now, investors can expect a 50% upswing on the next leg. However, everything hinges on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin sells off, that will drastically change things, right? The bullish case for SHIB makes sense as long as the big crypto and Ethereum remain sidelined or moving higher. Now, on the other hand, if SHIB prices fail to stay above the 11.8 range and produces a daily candlestick below it, we could be heading as low as the 10.6. That would be our next level of resistance, which would be a 10% drop from that 11.8 range that we've talked about quite a bit in this video. So we are currently sitting at the 14.75, consolidating nicely, but we did that for a while before this darn candlestick right here. We started to break down late yesterday, and then boop, we got a major sell-off there after it broke out of this consolidation phase. Some people must have just been seeing, hey, we could be maybe going lower and maybe forced some selling here. Now we'll see if we can get another leg up or at least find some stable support here in the mid to high 14 range. We'll be tracking it for you, of course, As always, I appreciate you stopping by. Have a fantastic rest of your day or evening, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care.